Second night, the weird noise in Pentagon City. I'm gonna lay the phone down, maybe you can hear it better. The weird noise is in the sewer. Two nights in a row. Been here a week and haven't heard that. Maybe 3 weeks, I don't know. Haven't heard that before, but there it is. Freaky.